Hey there, in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your labels in Gmail so your inbox can be more organized and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side for your list of labels. If you don't have any labels yet, don't worry. You can create one by clicking the plus icon and giving it a name. Now, if you already have a label you want to customize, simply hover over it and click the three-dot menu that appears next to the label's name. From the menu, select Label Color. You'll see a variety of preset colors. Just click on any color and watch your label change instantly. Want something unique? No problem. You can click on Add Custom Color to pick the exact shade you want. And if you ever want to go back to a neutral look, there's also an option to remove the color completely. The best part? You can change your label colors as many times as you like, so your inbox always stays fresh and easy to navigate. That's it. A simple way to make your Gmail experience more organized and visually fun. Try it out and see how it transforms your inbox.